Hi everyone. Welcome to Health Insights. In today's video, we're diving into an important topic, asthma. If you or someone you know has asthma or are just curious about this condition, this video is perfect for you. We'll talk about asthma, its symptoms, common triggers, and how it can be managed. So, what exactly is asthma? Asthma is a chronic condition that affects the airways in your lungs. These airways can become inflamed, swollen, and narrow, making it hard to breathe. It's a bit like trying to breathe through a straw, uncomfortable, right? Let's talk about the symptoms. Common signs of asthma include 1. Wheezing, a whistling sound when you breathe. 2. Shortness of breath, feeling like you can't get enough air. 3. Chest tightness, like someone is squeezing your chest. 4. Coughing, especially at night or early in the morning. These symptoms can vary in severity. Some people might experience mild symptoms occasionally, while others may have more frequent and severe attacks. Now, what causes asthma symptoms to flare up? These are called triggers. Everyone's triggers can be different, but here are some common ones. 1. Allergens like pollen, dust mites, and pet dander. 2. Respiratory infections, like a cold or the flu. 3. Air pollution and strong odors, including smoke. 4. Physical activity, especially in cold air, known as exercise-induced asthma. 5. Stress or strong emotions. Now, let's discuss how asthma can be managed. The good news is that with the right approach, most people with asthma can lead active, healthy lives. There are two main parts to asthma management: avoiding triggers and using medications as prescribed by your doctor. 1. Controller medications. These are daily medicines that help reduce airway inflammation over time. 2. Rescue inhalers. These provide quick relief during an asthma attack by relaxing the airway muscles. In addition to medication, lifestyle changes can help. For example, staying active, managing stress, and keeping your home allergen-free can make a big difference. Remember, it's essential to work with your doctor to develop an asthma action plan. This plan helps you monitor your symptoms, manage flare-ups, and know when to seek medical help. To sum it up, asthma may sound intimidating, but with the right knowledge and tools, it's manageable. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more beginner-friendly health guides. Have questions or experiences with asthma? Share them in the comments below. Thanks for watching and take care of your health.